Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Dave the Phone Guy, and today I'm gonna give you my final thoughts on the Xiaomi Mi 9T. Is this mid-ranger worth the price and up to the task to be your daily driver and hang out in your pocket? Continue watching. I'm gonna give you the lowdown on everything you need to know. So let's get the specs out of the way first. This thing's got a 6.39-inch AMOLED display, Snapdragon 730. You can get 64 or 128 gig option for storage, 6 gigs of RAM, and it's got a triple camera setup. The main camera is a 48 megapixel sensor, the telephoto lens is an 8 megapixel sensor, and the ultra wide is 13 megapixels. The selfie cam is a 20 megapixel. Yes, the phone's got a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. That's going away, guys, so don't expect too many more phones to have that. We got a 4,000 milliamp battery, 18 watt fast charge, in-screen fingerprint scanner, and you can get it in 3 colors. You got carbon black, red flame, and glacier blue. Now that we got the specs out of the way, the first thing I'd like to do is compare the camera. I installed the Gcam app on there, so I got side-by-sides of the actual camera app and then the Gcam camera app, and there's a difference, so I'm gonna show you those. I took photos side-by-side comparing the OnePlus 7 Pro camera, the Pixel 2 camera, and the OnePlus 6T camera. In the comments, why don't you tell me what you think is the best? So as you can see, the quality is not bad, and I'm not a professional photographer. I'm figuring out all of the camera things and getting the lighting and stuff like that. So when I look at the pictures on the phone itself, it seems fine. I can definitely tell the difference when comparing, obviously, the other cameras side by side, looking at the pictures side by side. You can see the difference. But if you weren't comparing, I think you're gonna be more than happy with the camera itself. It gets the job done. I mean, it's not a OnePlus 7, it's not a Note 10, it's not any of the big boys, but we're talking about a $350 phone, and it gets it done, right? So what we're gonna do next is do a comparison on Geekbench. I'm gonna run it with the OnePlus 7 Pro, I'm gonna run it on the Mi 9T, I'm gonna run the Pixel 2, and I'm gonna run the 6T. I'm comparing the Pixel 2 and the OnePlus 6T because right now you can buy them at pretty much the same price as the Mi 9T. So which one would you actually prefer? Do you want a Mi 9T? Do you want a OnePlus 6T or just a Pixel 2? I'm running these tests here. Let's see what the results are. I know who the champ's gonna be, you know who the champ's gonna be, but I'm kind of curious as who's actually gonna win between the Mi 9T, the Pixel 2, and the OnePlus 6T. So let's just jump into that. All right, I'm gonna try to start all of these at the same time. Let's see if I can get it. I'm kind of surprised that the OnePlus 7 Pro and the Mi 9T are actually neck and neck right now running through the test. The OnePlus 6T is not far behind, and the Pixel 2, which is the oldest of the 4 phones, it's definitely showing its age. Pixel 2 is a little behind, it's okay, it's okay. And the OnePlus 7 Pro is now taking the lead, but the Mi 9T is in 2nd place and not too far behind. 6T is still 3rd place, solid. This OnePlus 7 Pro has 12 gigs of RAM. The 6T has 8 gigs of RAM. Mi 9T has 6 gigs of RAM. And the Pixel 2 has 4 gigs of RAM. We can see the OnePlus 7 Pro is definitely taking a huge lead at this point. The 6T is pulled ahead of the Mi 9T. Solid score for the OnePlus 7 Pro. OnePlus 6T is now finished. And the Xiaomi Mi 9T, not bad. Actually, the single core score is a little more powerful than the 6T. Come on, Google Pixel. Showing your age, buddy. All right, so there's the results of all 4 phones. So you can see how they all scored. The 6T, I mean, it held its own. I was surprised by that. Xiaomi Mi 9T, definitely a solid contender. And for performance purposes, I think if you're looking at it as a non-gaming phone, if you're just gonna use it to do all of your social networkings, your Twitter, your texting, your Facebook, whatnots, it's gonna do the job right? It's gonna get it done. It's not gonna be a big deal. No muss, no fuss, and that's it. So let's move on to the next thing. I'm just gonna open some random apps. Some of the people on Reddit in the forums the comments from the unboxing video. They wanted me to open up some apps side by side, comparing it to the OnePlus 7 Pro. We know who's gonna open apps faster, right? The OnePlus 7 Pro. Let's see actually what happens. I mean, maybe we'll get surprised. So I'm gonna move some of these out of the way here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open Chrome. Let's see how fast that happens. They're very close. That was super fast. So we're gonna take a look at the Play Store, see how fast the Play Store launches. Both of these phones are on Wi-Fi, so there's no difference in internet speed and pulling data down from the network. It's just pure power of launching. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try something that's a little bit more processor intensive. I'm gonna go ahead and launch the Dr. Mario app and see which phone can actually launch it first. Here we go. 7 Pro seems to bring the program up a little faster. They're both still loading, so let's see here. And the Mi 9t just launched Dr. Mario faster. I'm kind of baffled by that. Still loading on the 7 Pro. This is kind of interesting. Can you guys tell me why? Can you leave a comment and explain to me how this is happening? I've never played Dr. Mario on the 9t. I've played a lot on my 7 Pro. Could that be something to do with it? I'm not sure. It finally loaded. That's crazy. That's crazy. All right, so that's it of the comparison for power. Let me give you my final thoughts. The Mi 9t, this thing right here, this is a solid phone, guys. This phone lasted all day for me. Again, I'm not a heavy gamer. I didn't game at all on this phone, but it lasted all day. I probably send 150 texts a day, 20, 30 phone calls a day. I do a lot of web browsing, a lot of Twitter. I'm on YouTube watching videos. This thing gets me through it, does it all. So, do I recommend this phone? I highly recommend it. I think that you'll be very happy with it. I think you're gonna get a lot of wows and what phone is that? Because nobody's really seen this, and this in the back really pops, right? The back of this phone is pretty sweet. I was wowed about it when I unboxed it, and I'm wowed about it every day when I look at it. It's a sweet phone. I think that if you're in the market for a $350 phone, can't go wrong. You got the 6T, you can get it for around the same price now. Pixel 2, I don't really think that's an option to get when we're comparing them. Performance-wise, it kind of lags behind. So yeah, I say if this is what you're looking for, if this is the price point, if this is what you want, if you want that extra wow factor, if you want the pop-up camera, do it. Pull the trigger, stop thinking about it, and just buy it. And that's it, guys. I'm Dave the Phone Guy. This has been my review on the Xiaomi Mi 9t, and that's all I got for you. So I'll see you in my next video. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe, click the bell. That way you'll get notified right away when I post the next one. And catch you in the next one, guys. Later. Hey, what's up, YouTube? Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm gonna give you my final thoughts on the Xiaomi. Hey, what's up, YouTube? Hey, what's up, YouTube? That's not what I wrote. Hey, what's up, YouTube? Is this mid-ranger up to the... Hey, what's up, YouTube? Worth the price and up to the task? Hey, what's up, YouTube? To be your daily... Is this... Hey, what's up, YouTube? Is this mid-ranger up to the task? Hey, what's up, YouTube? 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 Hey, what's up, YouTube?